Assalamu alaikum. I am your English teacher of class 3rd. Now we are going to start lecture 4. On page number 7, exercise B is write the opposites of the given words by adding suitable prefixes. Now we have to know that what is prefixes. We add letters like un, im, dis to the beginning of a word to get the opposite meaning of the given words, like pleasure, displeasure, happy, unhappy, possible, impossible, appear, disappear. These are called prefixes. The letters added to main word in the beginning are called prefixes. वो लेटर्स जो मेन वर्ड से पहले लगाए जाते हैं उन्हें प्रीफिक्सेस कहा जाता है. नाउ वी यूज प्रीफिक्सेस विद दीज वर्ड्स. दीज आर 12 वर्ड्स. यू कैन डू दिस वर्क इन योर इंग्लिश ग्रामर कॉपी. This is your grammar exercise. You should do this exercise in your English classwork copy. Mention date, page number, exercise B. Write the opposites of given words by adding suitable prefixes. Number 1 is safe, unsafe, polite, impolite, appear, disappear, comfortable, uncomfortable, interesting, uninteresting, obey, disobey, kind, unkind, trust, untrust, proper, improper, popular, unpopular, respect, disrespect, available, unavailable. This is your complete exercise. Now we are going to start next exercise. Is C. Add OU and complete the given words. Do this exercise in your English classwork copy. This is your text exercise. Again, mention date, page number, exercise C. Add OU and complete the given words. The sound of OU is OU. OU. Number 1, SHOUT, shout. Number 2, STOUT, stout. LOUD, loud. CLOUD, cloud. SOUND, sound. FOUND, found. MOUTH, mouth. ROUND, round. DOUBT, doubt. Before starting this exercise, say aloud these words and then write in your copy. This is the end of today's lecture. I hope you all understand. Do this work in your copy with neat and clean writing. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.